Hello, children. Good morning. I hope all are keeping fine. Before I proceed, come, let me tell you, the time is running very fast and we have to do our work. So let's start our work. This is our conversation, and I am your Sharda ma'am taking your conversation. So let's move on. Today's topic, my hobby. I repeat, today's topic, my hobby. It is a conversation between two friends. Two friends are talking. Let's see what they are saying. Joy is saying, "Hello, Peter. How are you?" So, from this sentence, you come to know that Joy is talking to his friend Peter and asking, "How are you?" So, the two friends are Joy and Peter. Come, let's start. Joy, "Hello, Peter. How are you?" Peter is saying, "I am fine, thank you. How are you going on?" Then Joy is saying, "I am going for my drawing class. I love drawing." Then he is continuing and saying, "When I get time to spend with myself, I do drawing. It is my hobby." Then Peter is asking, "Hobby? What is hobby?" Then Joy says, "It is the thing you love to do after you finish your daily work." Then Peter is saying, "Oh, I understand. I love to read books." Then Joy is saying, "What type of books do you read?" Peter said, "I read short stories related to learning of morals. My hobby is reading books." Joy is saying, "Good. I would like to tell you something. You know, last week I won a prize in our school for participating in drawing competition. I got the first prize." Peter is saying, "What a great news! I am so happy to hear. In our school, we had a storytelling competition. I participated, but I was a bit nervous, so I did not win a prize. But I am happy I got an opportunity to say in front of the audience. I am trying to overcome my shyness." Then Joy saying, "Good. We should all try to face the audience without fear." And Peter is saying, "You can show me your drawing. Can you show me your drawing?" Then Joy is saying, "Of course. Do come to my house. I have my study room decorated with my drawings on the wall. I will go to your house to see the collection of books." Now Joy is saying, "I will go to your house to see the collection of books." Peter saying, "Sure, of course, do come. We will have great fun. You know, my father bought for me a funny book of Chota Bheem on my birthday. We will both read together." Joy, "Okay, Peter, I must leave now. My mother is calling. Bye, we will meet soon." Then Peter is saying, "Bye, Joy. It was such a pleasure to know about your hobby. We will meet soon." This is how they are saying, and this is how they are talking to one another. Now, children, let's do this once again. That will help you to do your conversation well. More you listen, the better it will be for you. Let's start it once more. Let me go back. So what I told you, it is the topic is my hobby. It is between two friends. One friend's name is Joy and the other friend's name is Peter. So they are talking, they are having a conversation with one another. What are they saying? Let's see. Joy is saying, "Hello, Peter. How are you?" Peter is saying, "I am fine. Thank you. Where are you going?" Then Joy says, "I am going for my drawing class. I love drawing. When I get time to spend with myself, I do drawing. It is my hobby. Then Peter sings, Hobby? What is hobby? Joy explains, it is the thing you love to do after you finish your daily work. Peter sings, Oh, I understand. I love to read books. So Peter's hobby is reading books, story books. Now Joy asking rather, what type of book do you read? Joy is asking Peter, what type of book do you read? Peter says, I read short stories related to learning of morals. My hobby is reading books. Joy, good. I would like to tell you something. You know, last week I won a prize in our school for participating in drawing competition. I got the first prize. Peter saying, what a great news! I am so happy to hear. In our school, we had a storytelling competition. I participated, but I was a bit nervous, so I did not win a prize. But I am happy I got an opportunity to say in front of the audience. I am trying to overcome my shyness. You know, children, many of us are very shy. We don't like to talk in front of a crowd or in front of the class. We think we are saying wrong, that will be wrong for us. No, you should all try to overcome. We can all make mistakes. From our mistakes we learn. You should come up to the in front of the class. You should say, you should speak out. You have to get rid of that consciousness, that shyness. You may think, what will I say? What will ma'am say? I won't speak. It might be wrong. Let it be wrong. If it is wrong, fine. We'll learn from the mistakes. We'll learn from the thing which we said wrong. I'll realize that this is a thing that is wrong and I will not repeat it again. So I have to speak. The more you speak, the better it will be. Conversation class is nothing but a speaking class. Everyone must speak and you must always speak in English. The more you hear proper English, the better you will know and better you will be able to say. So always listen to all your conversation class and you will surely overcome your shyness. Okay, children? Now let's see what Joy is saying. Good. We should all try to face the audience without fear. Audience means people who is in front of you, a crowd of people where you're taking a part, you're doing a function, or you're doing a dance, you're saying something on the stage, and the audience is in front of you. You should try to overcome your fear, your shakiness, your nervousness. You're feeling bad, feeling awkward, don't want to speak. You want to say, but you're feeling shy. You don't want to say. These are the things that you should overcome. That's why Joy is saying, good. We should all try to face the audience without fear. We should not have any fear, no fear at all. You should be aware. You should not be scared. You should not be frightened to talk in front of others. Why will you feel frightened? God has given you mouth to talk and you should talk freely without any hesitation. Whatever comes in your mind, just speak out. You'll say what is in your mind. We will hear it and we will correct it. The more correction will be done, you will understand more. If you don't say anything, you are quiet, you will not be able to learn also. Whatever is in your mind, you say and you do it. Next day for our conversation class, children, what we will do? We will speak. I'll say something, you will give an answer. Maybe the answer will be wrong, but again then we will rectify ourselves and we will do it correctly. Okay. Now Peter is saying, can you show me your drawing? Since Joy said that drawing is his hobby, Peter understood that Joy will be having many types of drawing. That's why Peter is saying, can you show me your drawing? Can you show me your drawing? Peter is saying. Then Joy is saying, of course. Do come to my house. You come to my house, I will show you the drawing. I have my study room decorated with my drawing on the wall. So study room has a wall. Over there it is decorated with all Joy's drawing. I will go to your house to see the collection of books. So Joy is saying that you have lots of books, you love reading. It is known that you have many books. So I will go to your house and I will see all your collection of books. Now Peter is saying, sure, of course, do come. We will have great fun. We'll have lots of enjoyment. You know, my father bought me a funny book of Chota Bheem. A funny book father bought. Whose father? Peter's father bought. What? A funny book. Funny means something that makes you laugh, something you smile while reading. The name of that book is Chota Bheem. And his father bought it when? On his birthday father gave. We will both read together. Means we will both. Both means both of us. You and me. We both will read together. Then Joy saying, okay Peter, I must leave now. I have to go now. My mother is calling me. Bye. We will meet soon. We will surely meet again. So let me go. We will meet again. And Joy bid Peter goodbye. Now what Peter is saying? Peter is saying, bye Joy. It was such a pleasure to know about your hobby. We will meet soon. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. See children, this type of conversation, practice this type of conversation. It will help you to do well. You go on speaking, talking. Talk proper English, listen to proper pronunciation, and you will all be able to do well. All good children, practice this type of conversation. In our next live class, we will do conversation. I won't speak, I will ask you all question. One by one, you will all answer it. Okay children? Till then, bye. Have a nice time.